This is a very, very popular stick style vacuum cleaner. It's very popular and there's a reason why. I'm going to go through all of the features so that you can make up your mind whether or not you want one of these. First of all, it is, again, the stick form factor, as you can see here. Each of these stems or shafts is detachable in this way. And this is cool. You don't have to remember which way they go because, let me show you. They are interchangeable. So they can connect like this or like this, okay? So they're fungible. They're exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which order they go. And either one of them connects happily with either end of the device. So that's a really good design that kind of frees you up to think about what's what. So very nice design there. So I'll just disconnect this to make it easy to make the video. All right, move us a little bit closer. Now, this is the main unit. This thing is powered by a 22.2 volt battery, which is relatively long lasting actually. It's very light. And you can see there, that is the charging port that goes into the wall. Okay, so you can buy these and have multiple batteries if you want, but I only have one. I find it to run for about 40 minutes, which is enough to get most of the cleaning done without having to recharge. Again, depends on how much power you're using and etc. etc. The bin here flips open this way, which makes cleaning easy. You can also remove this bit easily. Okay, as you can see, that's the HEPA filter and it goes in this direction. Okay, let's put that back in. Very, very easy cleaning process. Okay, very easy. So you just pop that over a bin, pop, and all that comes out and it's back to cleaning again. Very easy. The on button over there, let me just turn it on. Okay, so that's the on button and that's the plus and minus button. So basically what that does is ups the intensity or reduces the intensity. So there are two speeds to, give you two different suction levels. As you can see, the handle there, it's got a space for your finger. So it makes it very easy to hold, very ergonomic and comfortable. So I really like that about it. It's a nice subtle design aesthetic there that works really well. Okay, I've already talked about the HEPA filter system. Okay, the wind comes out through here, which kind of points away from you, which is awesome. Some of these stick type vacuums will point the wind towards you, which some people might find uncomfortable, but this points away from you, which is awesome. Now, the brush end is also very, very nice. It's got LED lights there, which illuminates the floor while you are hoovering, which makes it easy to see. You have a multi-floor brush there. So this is good for both carpets and wood or tiles or lino or what have you. It's got this rotating brush here, which sweeps everything up, which is very, very, very cool. This is easy to remove for cleaning purposes or to replace. Let me just show you. Just slide this to the side and pop the brush out like that. And you can wash and clean this and this very, very easily. It's not so easy with some of these other systems, but this makes it extremely, extremely easy indeed. And that fits back easily. Boom, done. Very, very handy. Also look at the neck here, right? It's got that degree of motion, which makes it nice and flexible, but it also got this degree of motion. And when it is in this position, as you can see, it's got tires there. Okay, and the tire or the tires makes it really easy for it to glide on the floor when you clean underneath your sofa or something else, unreachable parts, okay? So that's very, very flexible to get underneath and around the edges. So that's really awesome. And the other accessories, it comes with obviously a power supply that goes at the back of the battery like that. You can charge the battery while it's connected, or you can, disconnect the battery and charge that separately or by itself. It all depends on you. A lot of people might want to have a place on the wall to have that hanging on. You can store this on the wall. This is the wall bracket. Okay, it also comes with screws. You can screw that onto the wall if you want. It also comes with this brush accessory and this cleaning tip. And both of these are for different things like, cleaning sofas and upholstery or cleaning in your car. And they fit happily at the tip. Let me just show you. So you just remove that part there. And you can easily just plug this in here. It fits in there. Doesn't need electricity, obviously, because it doesn't have any LEDs on this one. So it just, doesn't need that bit there. And same story with this. Okay, it's sort of like a nice little piece. And of course, you can just make the vacuum a little bit shorter by removing one of the stems and plugging it directly like so. Okay. And of course, like so. You can make it even shorter by plugging this directly like this. So this is now just a handheld vacuum for cleaning around in your car or your sofa or something like that. So it's really, really handy, really flexible, and an awesome buy.